Okay, the train to Kennedy Town is already arriving. We're 3 stations away from our destination, which is Central. They just said that it was arriving. I hear it because there it is. Did you see it? There it is. So if we will get off this train. I'll just stand up. I'm totally fine standing up. When I counted, the Tuanma line actually connects 26 stations. And the line we're riding connects 17 stations. Boom, those things off. Hopefully this time I won't slip from the abrupt movement. Hey, with that we're already in the tunnel. Because we're at the very front. We're going to one try. Here's the legend for doors will open on the left. If the train is going here, then it will go on the left. Here's the MTR list on the other side. Admiralty. Hey, we're here. This is one try. Like being on the front of these really long trains. Ooh, really abrupt stop. Hopefully I can get like a seat. Here we go. This would be an abrupt movement, so I'm maintaining my balance. And with that, we're already in the tunnel. Right here's the emergency exit. Although we went here before, this is not our stop. Hey, we're here. Is this our stop? I bet not yet. Oh, slow, slow, slow. We have 2 choices here. We can take the Swenwan line or the Island line. For now, we'll just remain here because it's the quickest way. Island line. got a seat.
请勿靠近车門，請不要靠近車門。Please stand back from the train doors.
Pretty rough closing. Whoa. Off we go. These are extreme. Central.
Next station, Central. Interchange station for the Tom train line and Airport Express.
Hey, we're here. And let us exit. At car 1, door 2. This is Central. Oh! Yes, this is Central. So out we go of the island line. We'll just wait for the doors to close. If you want to see them. Oh, it's so empty already. Most people got off here. Look at my plane. And we'll just wait for it to leave. And off it goes. And that's it for now.